In the last 28 days, I saved my channel from getting like no views to getting a ton of views. And I'll show you my analytics, and you can see here that this is legit, right? I'm getting 7,000 views every 48 hours. And if I put this back to look at the last like 60 days, we'll just go ahead and make this November. I'll hit apply. I want to show you what I did differently. You can see when I post videos, like here I posted 2 videos, I get this spike right here and it goes up. But then what happens is it falls back down and I stop posting, and then I'm not getting a ton of views from my old videos. Now, I did something different in January. I made a challenge to post more videos. And so if we go back to, let's just go last 28 days, I started posting 3 videos a week, and I get that initial spike like I normally do. But as it starts to slow down, I posted again, and I just stayed consistent with it, posting 3 times a week instead of maybe 1 a week, or honestly, I wasn't even posting 1 a week. I wasn't really posting. I was focusing on my business, and I just decided to go 3 a week to push me. And yeah, it started to finally work. You can see the climb. And what's cool here is if I go to like audience, you can see not only are my return viewers increasing, which is fantastic. Day to day, I'm getting almost 1,000 people returning to my channel to watch more content. I'm also getting pushed out to new people. 1,500 people on this day came to my YouTube channel that have never heard of me. 1,600 people on this day. And I want to share with you some strategies. And honestly, this is really easy. And I'm probably going to get a lot of hate for me telling people to post more, but it literally works, and I want to break down how you can do this in the right way. So my theory was that if I just got more at-bats, meaning I posted more YouTube videos, that I would get more base hits. Base hit is better than striking out. So me posting a video, getting 100 views, I'm like, that's 100 people in a room. That's better than nobody. And then I was thinking maybe if I post more, every once in a while, I might get a home run. Right? One of them might take off and get a couple thousand views. And so I found super interesting was I looked up the greatest home run hitter of all time, Barry Bonds. He hit 762 home runs, but he had 12,606 at bats. I think the number was like 1 of every 12 at bats, he was getting a home run. And so it wasn't like every single time this guy was hitting home runs, he had to get up there and he had to get a lot of at-bats in order for him to hit a home run. And it's the same thing with YouTube. And at the end of the day, if you get more at-bats, you're going to get more views. More views equal more leads equal more sales. And I probably should even add here, right? More videos posted equal more views. Now, this is like kind of a half truth. Some of you are going to go, Nolan, I'm posting daily. It's not working. Or if I just post more, that doesn't mean I'm going to get more views. And maybe you're right, but you might be wrong. And so hear me out. We'll break this down. And my business is a testament that the more videos I posted, the more leads, the more views, the more sales I got. And so going into my stand store, if we just look at the last 14 days, if I change this to maybe the last month, notice how my leads are just going up and up and up and up. And that is because I'm posting more. I am out there more. I'm getting more views, more leads, and more sales. Now, if you're looking to actually use YouTube to get more leads, make more sales for your business, over on my stand store, I'll have a link in the description. You can just save your spot. I'm doing a YouTube growth masterclass for business owners, and I'm going to be sharing with you guys exactly why right now is the best time to grow a YouTube channel, the proven framework I use to get views on YouTube, and how you can turn those viewers into paying customers. All you got to do is go down here, fill in your information, and secure your spot. And hope to see you there live. It's not going to be some fake webinar thing. It's actually me. We'll do Q&A at the end. So would love to meet you, hang out on Zoom. Link in the description. Now let's look at Iman Ghazi's channel because I just pulled some business niches over here, but I screenshotted his last 12 videos. And this little blue circle here means it's from vidIQ. I have a link down in the description. If you want to install this, it's a great plugin. I recommend everyone who is a YouTube creator gets this plugin. So for example, here you can see like this video is getting 3 times the channel average when it comes to views, which is a lot. But notice how he has 12 videos on his channel. The only ones that are blue here that have at least double or more are 2 out of 12. And then we look at Alex Hormozi, love his content, love watching his videos, but also looking at his past 12 videos, only 1, 2 of them are outliers, home runs, if you want to call it that, right? And so he's getting 12 at bats, and both of them are just getting 2 of them are actually popping off for them. And so 1 outlier every 6 videos, that's about 17%. And I love what Alex Hormozy says, which is to do more, better, and then new. And he says to start with more. And what he's saying here is when he's talking about a business is he's saying if something's working, just start doing more of it. And you need to do that before you try and make it better. And I love this idea to actually start with more, because a lot of us, we're trying to make things better. And the reality is better can be an excuse for procrastination. I've been there. This is totally me. And I'm trying to make it as good as possible when in reality, I'm just procrastinating, doing the thing I need to do, which is to post YouTube videos. Hopefully somebody can relate with this. And I'm being open and broken. Okay. Anyways, this is the truth, guys. Okay. And I'm getting over this. I hope this helps somebody. You don't know what to improve until you have more data. That's another great reason to start with more. You just don't know what you have to improve until you post. So some of you guys are trying to come up with the perfect content strategy. Some of you are trying to come up with the perfect video idea, the perfect thumbnail, the perfect title, the perfect everything. And it's like, it's not going to be perfect. And you don't even know exactly what the audience might want until you post more. So start with more. And if you're posting consistently and you're not getting views, or your views are staying the same and you're posting every single day, okay, move on to better. You need to post better. New would be like posting on a new platform or trying maybe posting YouTube shorts or something. I'm talking about YouTube long form videos. You need to do more. And if you're doing that, it's not working, then yes, you definitely need to do better. If you've posted 30 videos and none of them are getting views, you need to make better thumbnails, titles, better ideas, probably better communication and editing and giving more value. But we want to start here. That's what this video is about. Okay. Now on my channel, my 5th video started taking off. So if I go back over here, you can see that let's go back to overview. This video right here started getting a ton of views. That was the screenshot I shared with you. And it actually didn't start taking off till about here. And now I'm kind of on this upwards trajectory, but it took me 5 videos in order for one video to start becoming an outlier. Even if you were to just post 5, like imagine if I were to go on the same cadence and post one video every other week, this would have took me 10 weeks. That's nearly 3 months to get one video taking off. And I condensed that to 2 weeks. What could have taken me almost 3 months took me 2 weeks. That's the power of just getting more at-bats out there. I hope you're getting this, and I hope it's making sense. Now, I literally just got off a Zoom call with my buddy who is a very smart business owner, entrepreneur, and I've been telling him to post content for years, and he has, but then he stopped, and he overthinks stuff, and he just ends up not posting content. And one of the things that he said that resonated with me on why I wasn't posting content is he said that I only move when I have clarity. And he was like, dude, I know this is wrong, but I've just realized that I feel like I have to have exact clarity on who I'm making these videos for, what kind of videos I'm making, what the brand's going to be. And I'm like, you know what? Yeah. And we talked this through because he's like, I know this isn't right. I'm just, he's just being open and broken. And here's the truth, you guys. Action creates clarity. You're never going to have full clarity, but as you take action and start posting videos, you're going to get more clarity. You're going to get more data, and the answers are going to come to you, and people are going to give you and tell you the stuff that you've been thinking and trying to make up in your head. It's all going to come from taking action. And look, on YouTube, there's a lot that is uncertain, right? I can't tell you that one video in your next 6 or 5 or whatever is going to take off. I've been doing YouTube for a long time. It might take you 30 videos. It might take you 50 videos or 100 videos. It might take you 1 video. I don't know, right? I'm uncertain of that. But here's what I am certain of. I am certain that you will be uncertain when you start posting on YouTube, that you won't have all the answers, and that you might be wrong. And so you need to be okay with that and just go, if you feel this way, if you feel fear, if you feel uncertainty, if you feel like you don't have full clarity, that's normal. And you should just post anyways. Just start posting content because it can absolutely change your life the way it's changed my life. And if you're a business owner and you're like, what content should I start making? I made a video breaking it down. It's 13 minutes long, but it will give you clarity on how to think about what videos to make. You can click on the screen. It's somewhere up here. Hope you enjoyed this video. Let's get after it this year and post more content. Love you guys. See you in the next one. Peace.